Make a great choice today with the 2017 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.